Chris Aquino nagpasalamat sa kanyang dating boyfriend dahil naroon daw ito habang sumasailalim siya sa peripherally inserted central catheter line change. Ang peripherally inserted central catheter line is used to deliver medications and other treatments directly to the large central veins near the heart. Saad ni Chris, "I thought I was still dreaming, unsure about who I saw when Dr. Cricket, my anesthesiologist, was waking me up. But he was there. We didn't get to speak. Thank you, Dr. Mike Padlan. I was told I was sedated when you entered the OR." Ibinahagi rin ni Chris na nalulungkot umano siya sa pagtanggi ni Mike na manatili ito bilang kanyang lead physicians. Ngunit nauunawaan at naiintindihan niya umano ito. "Aniya, I am sad that you declined to remain as one of my lead physicians, but I do understand what you meant when you said to let me go." Mahirap talaga kapag magkaibang mundo ang pinanggalingan at nakasanayan. Ngunit umaasa umano siya na mabawasan ang galit nito at parehas anila sila magkaroon ng kapayapaan sa kanilang mga puso. "In time, I still hope your anger will lessen and we shall both have peace in our hearts. I'm almost there because I appreciate all I have at everyone who pray for me at make the effort to express their concern and compassion." Kasunod nito, nabanggit din ni Chris na hindi raw siya pasaway o demanding na pasyente. Sa kasalukuyan, nilalabanan ni Chris ang 9 na autoimmune diseases, 5 umano sa mga ito ay maaaring maging delikado para sa kanyang buhay.